Yeah, I got a horn salute. Boy, this is the second grain train. Had an eastbound grain train, now got a westbound grain train. Second. Second green train. Had an eastbound, now a westbound. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this train video here. And if you did, go thumbs up. Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that for me? Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, hit that red subscribe button down there. And subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos here I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Also, if you could do me a big favor, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified when and if YouTube allows you or lets you know. Also, do me a big favor, leave a comment. I like to know where you're watching me from and what trains do you get where you're at. Just curious. But until next time, they call me Mr. Canada National, and this train video's over. Have a good one. Take care.